As a clinical pharmacologist, I have the privilege of working from bench to bedside, and this gives me the opportunity to work through all the data and the evidence that lies in between. As a result, the network meta-analyses gives me a wonderful approach to use both direct and indirect evidence synthesis, putting it together and getting the best application, real-world application for my patients.
The skills I've gained from this course has enabled me to understand where clinical guidelines come from, and I've been able to answer some of the clinical questions I've had.
From the beginner level introduction to systematic reviews and meta-analysis to the complex nitty-gritties of pairwise meta-analysis.
The network meta-analysis concept has come to the fore in the last couple of years, and I found myself to be quite inadequately prepared to properly, critically appraise and interpret the results. As such, I enrolled for the NMA workshop to skill myself and upskill myself in how to interpret, how to do, and how to acquire the knowledge of network meta-analyses. My experience of the network meta-analysis course was wonderfully positive, as the teachers were very knowledgeable in their fields and could apply it in a real-world setting. The questions we got were very applicable to our setting in terms of HIV/AIDS and diabetes, and running network meta-analyses through R and Stata gave me a wonderful approach in how to do it practically with what we have in our context.
One of my objectives in my PhD studies is to conduct an evidence reviews on the current interventions among children and adolescents aged 5 to 19 years. So a network meta-analysis workshop gave me a platform to engage in these skills and have more innovative ways of engaging skills in terms of interventions review and finding better interventions that improve survival.
I would highly recommend this course to anyone working in the medical sciences, from biostatisticians all the way through to clinicians. The reason why network meta-analyses are so important is that it gives us a way to interpret data in a new, larger way. Anyone involved in patient care can benefit from network meta-analyses by using the published data and pulling that together in large analyses to have the best outcome for our patients.
Our network meta-analysis workshop is the first offered in Africa of its kind. It's ideal for clinicians who want to expand their armory in not just doing pairwise meta-analysis, but extending that to multiple interventions and being able to understand which one is best.